Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best size coolers for camping in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Coleman Xtreme Cooler for camping. Coleman is the most famous name in the computer outside and rare not to fulfill the promise of their trademark. Your online Xtreme a good example of this. Xtreme retains the visual cues of your refrigerator's standard but significantly ramps insulation, volume and comfort. These 7.0 may contain 4th box 100 doses. It is able to keep the ice in frozen state for up to 5 days. And also acts as an additional folding seat, supporting up to 250 pounds. As such, the Xtreme 74ths is not only ideal for spending holidays with the family on weekends, camping is also an ideal float for their barbecues and the rear terrace holiday. A puppy in the park, full coverage of their favorite beers and be quiet. When he finishes, the feast of Xtreme is empty, cleaned easily without tilting and with a few towels, a damp cloth. Be sure to check our guide, even the best mini refrigerators for larger items like this. Number 2. Our second best pick is Coleman Marine Portable Cooler for camping. This Marina 120 rooms Coleman cooler is a giant. As such, it is you want to make sure that you have a good reason to get something so big. If you regularly receive social gatherings at home on a large scale or the like on the head at the campsite with 20 or more of your closest friends, this is the cooler for you. It is not only very large, very well done. Their insulation burley all offer up to 6 days ice retention, holds the 190 cans of your favorite beverage, or supplies a place to store enough to your prize catch, if you are fishing. Remember, if the model is too big, 120/4 Coleman makes a slightly smaller version of what is essentially the same field. The 4th Coleman Marine 120 shooting with stainless steel fittings and outer walls are UV-resistant materials. Number 3. Our third best pick is Coleman Xtreme Series Wheeled Cooler. The third cooling system Coleman Xtreme on our list of the best cooler is this 54th wheel cold box. Let's be honest. No one who cares about the back wants to be saddled with a field of 50 rooms full around the handles. As such, Coleman Xtreme offers this model with a tough, durable, telescopic manage and wide that the Esplanade will roll devoured wheels along its box with minimal effort. But the Wheels Xtreme Cooler is more than 54th's one-trick pony. It should be kept in a position your ice cube shaped for maximum 5 days, sports ecological insulation, including ergonomically beautiful side handles for lifting the hull and picnic table, and has integrated into the cover 4 beautiful, deep cup holders. If you're tired of heavy coolers to collect, carry the camp of the Coleman Xtreme box with wheels and give it a break behind. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is RTIC Cooler for camping. The RTIC refrigerator has a shell impact resistant hardened and robust insulation, helps maximum retention of ice to ensure. The hard shell functions are even used as additional seating and can be used as camping stools. The good flat top can draw extra work as a table, and the lack of imagination design features outdoor cleaning products is a snap. The RTIC comes completely assembled, making it almost ready to go right out of the box. Of course, you will want to wash the interior before going to the food store there. Foot locks and handles that are already available that you worry about, save to wear them properly. As for the hardness and durability, seamless construction means this coolness RTIC is immune against all that is you will find in the camp. The absence of seams also allows the box to eliminate heat transfer to practical use. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Coleman 30 Can Soft Cooler with Hard Liner. A 30 Coleman cooler bag is a small refrigerator and a bit atypical in that list. But we should at least have our bag at least bow camping coolers that are not large enough to have its own zip code. The fact is that, from when you are even heading for a quiet night in, camping does not need a box of 50 rooms. These model results should serve you well. The outer material is flexible PVA enriched with antimicrobial properties, to keep things sanitary. Within it prevents a hard plastic liner that from food is crushed and allows ice. There are a number of outside pockets for what must-wear peripherals, warmth and prevent leakage welds and excessive heat transfer. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.